Hello and welcome back once again. Hope you all are very good. And have you completed your previous work? I hope you did it. So, today what we have to do? Now it's time to learn or revise the previous work. In my previous class, we had learned about using of a or and. So, today it's activity time. What we have to do, we have to complete that worksheet, and in that worksheet we have to do use of a or an. Assessment 2, using of a or an, and you have to open page number 9. Yes, here are some examples, and we have to use a or an before the word. Now look here. What is this? It is a or it is an. So we have to use a before vowels, and we have to use an. We have to use an before vowels, and we have to use a before consonants. So there are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U, as you know, and rest of them are consonants. So let's begin without wasting our time. Now look here. What is this? Apple. A, or it is an apple. So why should we write an? Because this word is starting with letter A, or A is a vowel. Next is, what is this? Can you see this picture? What is this? Bag. So, it is a bag or it is an bag? No. And sounds? So, what is this? This is a bag. It is a bag or it is an bag? No. It is a bag. So, we have to write it is a bag. Why should we write a? Because bag and the letter B is a consonant. ये consonant है. So that's why we should write a. Next is, what is this? This is a cow. So it is a cow or it is an cow? You have to tell me. It is a cow or it is an cow? No, it is a cow. So, it is a cow. Why? Because this is consonant. Simple and easy. Now, next is, what is this? Can you see this picture? What is this? This is a door. We can open the door or we can close the door. Open and close. So, it is a door or it is an door? It is an door? No, it is a door. So, it is a door. Why? Because this is consonant. So, before completing the sentence, we have to see this is vowel or this is consonant. Now, next is, wow, its shape is vowel. Its shape is oval and it is like an egg, na? No, it is an egg or it is a egg. It is an egg. Why I am writing an? Because this is a vowel, egg. A-E-I-O-U. Next is frog. So this word is starting with letter F. F is a consonant. So we have to write it is a frog, not an frog. Next is, what is this? This is a, I don't know, what is this? Gun. So what we have to write now? It is a gun or it is an gun? It is a gun. Why? Because this is consonant. Simple. Next is hut. So now you have to tell me it is an hut or a hut. It is a hut. Ice cream. So this is vowel or consonant? You have to tell me. Very good. So it is an ice cream. Jeep. So what is this? This is a jeep or this is an jeep. This is an jeep or it is an jeep. It doesn't sound like good, no? So it is a jeep. Next is key. Lock and key. So this is K. K is a consonant. It is a key, not it is an key. Log. L or L. So it is a log, not an log. Why? Because this is consonant, not vowel. So what we have learned today? We have to use an before vowels and we have to use a before consonant. Simple. Now you have to complete that exercise in your book. I will be sending the assignment and you have to complete it and make sure you will learn the concept also. So it's time to say goodbye. We will meet you very soon with another interesting concept. So take care and God bless you all.